In the past 24 hours, we've seen an unusual uptick in economic sentiment, with a score of plus 0.43 and momentum hitting plus 1.55. This spike stands out when you consider the historical baseline. It suggests a sudden shift in sentiment that could indicate growing optimism or confidence in economic conditions. Our API returns detailed insights, giving you access to sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters that capture the nuances of economic discussions. Imagine integrating this into your trading algorithms. You could adjust your strategies in real time based on shifts in sentiment, potentially giving you an edge when the landscape changes quickly. Stay ahead of the curve. For more details, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.